Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download a document so then you can mark it and then send it back to me via Google Classroom. So, say you go here to classwork where all our assignments are. You click on the assignment that you want to mark up. Here is the assignment. Click on it. Here it does not give you the option to download the document. So what you have to do is you have to go to the three little dots here at the top right. Click on that and hit open in new window. Now it's going to come up with this little icon right here that allows you to download the document. You hit download and it should be downloading on the bottom left of your screen. Once it's downloaded, feel free to click it and it's going to open it as a Word document. This Word document can become yours and your personal document once you hit up here, enable editing. Click on that, and now the document is yours to mark up. You can go to the Draw tab on Word, and it will pop up with different tools that you can use to mark up your document. It also has a highlighter option, and you can add a drawing canvas if you need help to write something down. You can say like, oh, I need help. So you put help, and then once you save it, I will be able to see that. Okay? Then what you need to do to turn it in, you go to File, Save As, and then what you want to do is save it under another name that's different than mine, so then you can find it easier. So say you name it with your name, you hit Save. When you go back to Google Classroom, and you turn in the assignment, you can upload the document that you just edited, and I will be able to see it. Okay, thanks.